Good morning! Kamusta na kayo? Isang magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Kakagising ko lang pero inaantok pa rin. Hindi pa nakuha ng hilamos. Kaya gagawa ko ngayon ng kape. Ito yung unang-unang ginagawa sa umaga. Pampagising lang. At sana mas matapang na kape, mas maganda. Para talagang gising na gising. Ito yung typical na umaga dito sa bahay. Kailangan ko muna magkape para magising dahil medyo inaantok pa ako ngayon. Pag naubos ko na tong kape, tsaka ako magluluto pala ng almusal ko. Natutulog pa yung mga bata, so maya-maya gigisingin ko sila. At mas masarap kung yung kape ko, yung walang asukal, wala ring cream, black coffee, para talagang gising-gising. Pagdating naman sa almusal, itlog lang ang katapat niyan. 2 perasong itlog na pinirito. Mga 2 minutes lang gawa na. Ganun kabilis. Dahil marami pang gagawin. Solve. Sarap. Tama-tama lang yung 2 perasong itlog para sa akin sa umaga. Yung tipong papatanggal lang ng gutom. Kailangan ko lang kasing maging ready. Yung tipong gising na, hindi na gutom dahil nag-i-edit ako ng video pagkatapos. Pumapasok pa ako sa opisina nito. Pero bago ko gawin yon, at least isang video, ma-edit ko muna at may upload kagad sa YouTube. Nang sa ganun, mabigyan ko kagad kayo ng panibagong mga recipes. So yun yung gagawin ko ngayon. Yung office ko ay nasa basement, kaya tuwing umaga, bumababa ako sa basement. At kung ganito na medyo malamig pa yung panahon, napakalamig, kaya konting tiis lang. May heater naman doon. Oh, lagot. Kailangan ko pa palang gisingin yung mga bata dahil papasok pa rin sila. Medyo napasarap tong ginagawa ko dito pero halos tapos na ako. Akit muna ako sa taas. Kailangan ko lang gisingin yung dalawa kong jaketing. Meron kasi silang pasok ng maaga pero kailangan ko rin mag-ayos pa ng almusal para sa kanila. Ihanda ko na yung almusal ng mga bata. Buti na lang hindi sila mahirap pakainin. Dahil Eggo waffles lang okay na sa kanila. Iniinit ko lang sa toaster. At pagkatapos fresh milk lang. Okay na sila doon. Rise and shine, girls! Time to go to school! Danica! Good morning! Danielle, good morning! Come on, rise and shine, wake up! Time to go to school! Oh, are you okay, Danielle? Come on, let's sit down. Alright. I got you waffles and milk.
Why?
Sit down.
It's Mickey Mouse.
It's Mickey Mouse?
Not Minnie Mouse.
Oh, not Minnie Mouse. Do you want Minnie Mouse waffles?
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse for
Yeah.
Minnie Mouse.
How are you feeling? Oh no, you're still coughing. Are you ready for school, Danielle?
I'm feeling better.
You're feeling better? That's good. Oh no. You sure you're ready for school? You want to go to school today?
No.
You want to stay here at home?
I'm just waiting for the strawberries and the blueberries.
Oh, what do you like better, strawberries or blueberries?
Strawberries. Because it's pink inside.
Uh-huh.
Blueberry. Why do you like blueberries? Because it's purple inside. Yeah.
Yes, it's purple inside, probably, yeah.
And purple and green.
Yeah, do you like that? Mommy will get your strawberry.
Me too.
Yeah, how about the Mickey Mouse waffle, Danielle?
Oh, this is a fancy ball.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just a saucer.
What's a saucer?
It's a small plate. A
Oh,
saucer
wait.
is a small plate. Watermelon. Let me see that. Wow. Can I have some?
You want to have some strawberry?
After you eat them first. Thank you.
Just only take one of the strawberry.
Why?
Because
You have to eat more.
you have to take one of the strawberries.
Okay, thank you.
Just take my fork and eat it. And I'll clean my fork
Okay,
in the sink in the bathroom. Got it?
got it. Thank you.
And then try it. Try it first.
Okay.
And bite it off.
Mmm. It's yummy.
You didn't. Your saliva's not in here.
Mm-hmm. It's not in there.
I just can wash
What are
it.
you talking about?
I'm washing it.
There's no saliva there. I didn't-
wash it.
I didn't bite on the fork. I just grabbed the strawberry right away.
I'm washing my
Nilawayan ko daw. Lokong yan eh.
I want to watch TV.
You want to watch TV after you finish your food, but you know what? Oh no.
Let's watch in your computer.
Maybe later. Just finish your food first because we're gonna be late for school. Okay? What about that? Did you make it, Danielle?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a beautiful artwork. Is it a flower? Oh, a flower. What kind of flower is it?
A daisy?
It's white. Is it a white rose
Or a daisy?
or a daisy? Or
A dandelion.
I think dandelions are yellow. Are they?
Sometimes. And sometimes they're white when they're dead.
When they're bad?
Dead.
Oh, when they're dead.
When they're white. And then you can blow them.
Oh, you can blow them too?
But yeah.
Oh, awesome.
But my mom is allergic to them.
Your mom is allergic to them?
Yeah.
What's the name of your mom?
Daisy.
The daisy is allergic to the dandelion.
Daisy Merano is to the dandelions.
That's funny. Is it?
The dandelion comes on summer.
Oh, okay. Is
And
it
then
summer yet?
and in spring too.
So what's outside? Are there dandelions outside?
No.
What do you see outside?
Just plants.
Just plants?
That would be yellow.
Oh, interesting. Want to take a look outside? Let's see. Oh, it's still snowing. There's still ice there.
It's no winter.
Look, there's still ice there outside.
It's a spring now.
Yeah,
But
it's
it's
still
really-
cold.
It's no winter.
Yeah. Bless you,
When
sweetheart.
we take the snow to outer space, we'll be back to spring.
Oh yeah, let's take all the snow to outer space, right? So that we'll have an early spring. That's good. I like that idea.
I think we find. I have a great idea. Let's find it about it. I told Jesus. We had to tell Jesus in the front. I was. Friend will come here.
I think you have to finish your food first so that I can understand you. All right? And what is that, little girl?
Oh, that's it.
Oh, wow, a necklace. Did you make it? That looks pretty.
Decoration.
Yeah, now it's a decoration.
Yeah, and there's spring flowers for a decoration.
Oh yeah, you girls really want spring to come, huh? Come on, let's put all the ice in outer space.
This.
Who wants to help Daddy get all the ice and the snow? Let's take it to outer space.
Me.
You? Come on, let's go. Oh, but you have to finish your food first, okay? Come
I
on.
did. And now it's finished my bill.
Yeah, finish your fruits and finish your waffles. Come on.
I fixed my.
At habang naghahanda na papunta sa eskwela yung mga bata, nagbibihis na sila ngayon. Ito naman yung oras ko para mag-ayos na. Kailangan ko pang maligo, mag-ahit, at kung ano-ano pa. Pagkatapos magbibihis na ako at sabay-sabay na kaming papasok. Usually, inahatid ko sila sa eskwelahan, tapos diretso na ako sa opisina.
Bubblegum.
Are you ready for school?
Bubblegum. And this. How many pieces do you wear?
Hey, Danielle, are you ready for school?
One. You're ready for school, Danielle?
How about you, Danica? Are you ready? Not yet? I think you girls are ready now. Come on, let's go. Get your bags. Good job.
And Danica!
Yeah. Oh, you kiss mommy now.
I'm sitting here.
How about you kiss mommy too?
I'm a dummy. I'm a dummy.
Yan ang typical naming umaga. Ngayon ay papunta na ako sa eskwelahan para ihatid yung mga bata at dediretso na ako sa opisina pagkatapos. Hanggang sa susunod ulit na vlog. Maraming salamat sa panonood.